with A.R.E, and today we're here with Ron Thorpe, Final Assembly Supervisor, and he's going to be explaining the improvements that have been made on the final assembly line using our LED lighting. Ron, what can you tell us about this lighting that we're using now?
I can tell you that it provides a lot better look inside the cap. When the employees are doing their job in there, we have one and 3 jigs now. Window running jig, wipeout jig, which I'm in now, and our final inspection jig. They move so you can see the roof, the windows. When they're running the screws, you can see that they're all in straight. After he cleans the interior out, it allows him to see, you know, that he didn't miss any particles in there, or fiberglass strands, dust, what have you. All the options. It's just a good thing. It provides a better light for them to do their job as well. I mean, compared to an old flashlight that we used to use, we've come a long way.
As you can see, this is just one of the many improvements that we're trying to make here at A.R.E to get the end customer the best product that we can get out the door. Thanks for watching.